So the day has come to tear down my car. Sadly, y'all, I'm so sad. I do not want to take her apart. But in order to get back on the track, we got to take her apart for now until she gets her engine swapped. So today we're going to go ahead and pull the motor out, and we're going to take it from there. So before I tear her down, I'm gonna start her up one last time for y'all, cause this my girl. Y'all are gonna see her with the little 302. The next time y'all see her, she's gonna have a big 302. But y'all, like, I'm really sad. I didn't think I would be sad, but I don't know. It's very bittersweet, especially because all the trial and error that I went through with this car. It's like as soon as we got her together, it was time to get her swapped. So that's that. But on a positive note, Durtech sent me some more tools, so let's open it up and see what it is. Oh yeah, this is nice. So it's a universal socket set, the impact wrench. And if I'm not mistaken, they're supposed to swivel. Yeah, it got a 360-degree swivel, so it gives you a little bit more flexibility. Definitely gonna go ahead and use these today. Put the link down below in the comments. Make sure y'all check them out. But yeah, let's get into it because it's a lot. So now that we got everything unhooked, it's time to unbolt everything so we can get the motor up out of there. So now we're underneath the car, taking the exhaust down. It was a second bolt on this side, so that's what I'm doing. Now that she's almost off, I can go in with the swivel socket. I don't know if y'all can see all the way up there, but the swivel socket from Durtech. You see it's flexible, got a little bend to it, so it makes it a little bit easier when you're in these crazy, hard to reach positions. There we go. She's down. Let's see. Side number 2, done. Okay, y'all, we got everything unbolted, unhooked. She's ready to come up out of there. We got the lift ready to connect her, and then we're gonna get the truck so we can pull the car backwards. But, yeah, I'm sad. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm very sad. But she gotta come up out of there, so let's okay, y'all, we about to get the truck to pull the car back. I gotta stand on a jack, try to hold it down, which means it's my little 150 pounds against the world. The last time that we did this with the T-top, the jack launched me into the air. I was okay. I was still holding on to the lift. I was just in the air with it. So hopefully it doesn't happen this time. But yeah. So this me standing on it. I still don't got it all the way down, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I was good doing it with the SN95, and I was taking a 351 out, so it should be okay. Ooh. Okay. Y'all. Oh man. So the 302-1. I thought I had it. I did not have it. I'm just up here in the air bobbling, and we trying to figure out where to go from here. So bringing the lift back down. Ooh. You're gonna have to try something else real quick. So she's a little bit more out. But yeah, I'm still Still hanging on. So rotated it, got the trans and stuff out the way. So we good now. She's up out of there. Just gonna finish pulling the car out the way so we can set her down. I'm gonna let her down because I know y'all are stressed about the strap. I was too a little bit stressed about it, but we good. She's out. It's coyote time. There you go. Just like that. But yeah, I'm super excited to strip all this, get it out, paint the bay, tackle the inside. Yeah, full makeover. We're gonna do everything right. So she's up and out. Got her sat down on the ground. Now, should we just put her in the SN95 as is? Or like I was saying, should we strip her down and use some of the parts to build a 351? So let me know what y'all think.